Welcome to the 2021 school year and Honors Biology. I'm Mr. Thumim. I am your Honors Biology teacher. Here you will see my contact information. Email is the best way to get a hold of me, as I can check my email throughout the day. Just a little bit about me. I've taught at Golden High School since 2003. I'm also the head lacrosse coach here. I have two daughters. One's a senior at Fort Lewis College. She herself is looking into becoming a teacher. Why, I don't know. And then I also have a senior daughter at Bear Creek High School. So I have two teenage daughters, and I teach in high school, so nothing scares me at this point. I also teach anatomy here at Golden. Okay, so a few other things to know about my class here. Highlighted in red are the first three main units that we're going to do fall semester. Chemistry of life, talk about macromolecules, energy of life, photosynthesis, cellular respiration, the acquisition of ATP, and then DNA. We talk about genetics, inheritance of characteristics and traits, cellular reproduction, and so forth. Second semester, we have evidence of change. We've got a disruption of homeostasis with microbiology, particularly a study on viruses and bacteria, which is appropriate at this day and age. And then we finish with our animals and systems unit, and this is where we do a lot of our dissections. Some things to expect in class or expectations. Materials that you need, please bring a 3-ring binder, dividers to organize, paper, pencil, colored pencils, especially in this day and age with the virus. Please make sure that you have your own materials. Pay particular attention to the grades here. Weekly quizzes and unit exams are going to combine for 60% of your overall grade. So grades are weighted here. This is an honors class, so grades are definitely weighted. Your assignments and homework, only about 10%. Your labs are about 20% of your grade. And then what I call my employability and citizenship grade is 10% of your grade. And every student starts out with 100 points, and then they will lose points for things that might get them fired from a job, any kind of disrespect or things that don't work in the biology room. Earning an A in this class requires a lot of effort. Other important information, check Schoology. In science, we use Schoology as our platform here. So there will always be copies of notes and assignments. Many times you'll be submitting your assignments, and if we go to all online, this is where you will find your information for the class. If you need extra help, please visit me during office hours before school, off blocks, and then after school. And again, given the pandemic, please give me a heads up as to when might be available, when you might come need some help or have a question or whatever you need. I'm here for you. Cell phones are a huge distraction. And what I do for my class is, in order to be considered present in class, you need to put your cell phone up in the cell phone slot in the classroom. If you don't have a cell phone or it's not with you that day, you will have a card that you can put in there that says you do not have a cell phone. If you put the card up and then turns out that you do have your cell phone out, I will confiscate your cell phone and you'll be marked absent for the day. Of course, when you're doing lab work, independent work, things like that, with permission, you can certainly use your cell phone for music and research. Some other things to know about my class: please give effort. It takes more effort to fail than to pass, believe it or not. I do like to have fun and will use humor. I do have dad jokes. Many times class can be long, and we need to laugh a little bit, have a little bit of fun. So I might be a little hard to get at first, but you'll get me. We like to have fun in here. Please treat yourself and everyone else with respect. Own your mistakes. You never grow as a person by being perfect. I'm certainly not the best or most perfect teacher, and I will own my mistakes. So please own yours. No glitter. Glitter is the devil's dust. Some other things to know about: there are days where it is necessary that I lecture. I try to make it as painless as possible. I'm going to have to do it multiple times throughout the day. So I, again, like to make it as painless as possible. Don't wait until the end of the semester to ask about your grade. You should be worrying about your grade from the first week that we start. Late work is only accepted per the Golden High School late work policy. In other words, things can be accepted up to the end of the unit. After that unit is passed, things will no longer be accepted. You can potty as needed. Just make sure you don't bring back any food you've obtained while in the bathroom. I think you understand what I'm saying there. Don't say that you need to go to the bathroom and then go to the cafeteria, especially now with the pandemic and passing period rules and way you walk in the hall and so forth. It's going to make it much more difficult for you to do so. Please don't lose that privilege. Okay, if you have any other questions, comments, or concerns, please email me at this email address, and I look forward to working and teaching with you all, getting to know you, and having a good time learning about biology. See you soon.